Hi friends! In this video, we are going to look at how the base of the verb takes different affixes based on the subject to denote the class, gender, number, place, and tense. Vinay Mutru, finite verb. In our earlier lessons on basic grammar, we looked at these following 5 categories: Tunai, class, pal, gender, number, udam, place, and kaalam, tense. Tunai can be divided into uyattinai and akrinai. Can be divided into orumai and penmai. Pal can be divided into 5. Uyattinai pal are aanbal, punbal, and pelarpal, and ahrinai pala, onjanpal, and pelavinpal. We also looked at Movudam. 3 places. Movudam are Tanmai, Munnilai, and Padakkai. Kaalam, tense. Kaalam can be divided into 3. Irandha kaalam, past, nigalkalam, present, and edirkalam, future. Udam, place. The base of a verb will take 2 finite verb forms under tanmai and munnilai based on number.
So the base verb ba, come, in nigalkalam, present tense, will be verhireen if it is thanmai orumai, verhirom if it is thanmai penmai, and verhirai if it is munnilai orumai, and verhirirhal if it is munnilai penmai. Verhirir is also used in munnilai to show respect.
There are 5 pals under Padakkai. Aanbal, Punbal, and Pelarpal are Uyattinai-pal, Onjanpal, and Pelavinpal are Ahrinai-pal. Aanbal, Punbal, and Onjanpal are Orumai, and Pelarpal and Pelavinpal are Penmai.
So the base verb va in Padarkai Nihalkalam will be Verhiran to denote Anbal, Verhiral to denote Penbal, Verhirahal to denote Pelarbal, Verhirade if it is Onranpal, and Verhirana to denote Pelavinpal. Verhirar is also used in Uyardhanai Ojumai to denote respect. If we look at all 3 tenses in Randhalam, we have Vandhen, Vandom, Vandai, Vandir, and Vandirhal. In Edirhalam, we have Veruven, Veruvom, Veruvai, Veruvir, and Veruvirhal. In Padarkai, Uyardhanai Orumai Aanpal, it will be Vandan to denote Irandakalam, Veruhiran Nigalkalam, Veruvan Edirkalam. In Punbal, it will be Vandal for Irandakalam, Veruhiral Nigalkalam, Veruval Edirkalam. Pelarpal, Vandarhal Irandakalam, வருகிறார்கள் நிகழ்காலம் and வருவார்கள் எதிர்காலம். In ஆகிரினை we have ஒருமை ஒன்றன்பால் வந்தது இறந்த காலம், வருகிறது நிகழ்காலம், வரும் எதிர்காலம். Under பலவின்பால் we have வந்தன இறந்த காலம், வருகிறன நிகழ்காலம், வரும் எதிர்காலம். In உயர்திணை ஒருமை we also say வந்தார் to show respect. It is இறந்த காலம், வருகிறார் is நிகழ்காலம் and வருவார் is எதிர்காலம்.
For more detailed explanation, you can watch our other videos on Tinai, Pal, Un, Udam and Kaalam separately. If you like our video, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.